Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plaid Identity Verification. Review my usage experience. Plaid Identity Verification. Review my usage experience offers a streamlined process for verifying user identities online. Its main purpose is to help businesses and developers securely confirm the identity of their users, reducing fraud and enhancing security. Key features likely include integrations with various financial institutions for account verification and potentially risk scoring based on verified information. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website emphasizes ease of integration into existing systems and claims a quick, reliable verification process. They highlight security as a core feature, implying robust data protection measures. Pricing is likely dependent on usage volume, though specific details would need to be checked on their website. Availability is likely broad, given Plaid's established presence in the fintech space. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plaid Identity Verification. Review my usage experience. I needed to integrate identity verification into a small app I'm developing, and Plaid seemed like a good option. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The documentation on their developer portal was clear and concise, guiding me through the API integration steps. The interface, while not visually stunning, was well organized and functional. I particularly liked how the dashboard displays verification results in a clean, easy-to-understand format. The whole process was impressively fast. Verification usually took only a few seconds. I was initially concerned about potential latency, but it performed flawlessly during my testing phase. I did have a quick question about a specific error code I encountered, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. Excellent responsiveness. A standout feature for me was definitely the range of supported financial institutions. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed logging for debugging purposes, but overall it wasn't a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Plaid's identity verification service. It's a robust and efficient solution that seamlessly integrated into my project. That's my overview of Plaid Identity Verification. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.